Hey folks, today is April the 20th. I just switched my CL contracts to 615 from 515. Go ahead and erase some of these lines I have on the chart here. And it is a Monday, so I do expect pretty slow movement here. Hopefully I'm wrong, but typically Mondays are pretty slow. As you can see, we've had a few scalp prints here. One right here, a nice winning trade. A second one here, a nice winning trade. Alright, it's 8:55. We have 5 minutes until the 2-minute chart starts ticking along here. And I am using the Screencast-O-Matic, so the quality might be a little bit lower than we're used to here because of that. I haven't heard back from BB Flashback Explorer yet with a solution to my problem with their recording software, so hopefully I'll hear back from them today. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause it since I only have a 15-minute limit with this software, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright, I just checked the chat room. The vendor took a trade this morning here. As you guys can see, it was a zone trade out of this selling zone right here. Got entered right here at this level. And it looks like, let's see, he's up 1,908 at that point. 6 contracts, so this was a pretty good trade for a Monday. And he was down here very close to being stopped out right there. Not stopped out, but from his take profit being hit. Alright, just wanted to show that to you guys. So, as I've said in the past, the early trading hours between 8 and 9, or basically the hour before the market opens, can be extremely lucrative. Lots of good opportunities, it seems, in that area. Anyway, be back with you guys once I get a print. Alright guys, we just got filled into our first trade of the day. Also, the vendor took a trade right here at this level. I can show that to you guys here really quick. As you can see, right here is where he got entered. And he held that trade through quite a bit. And as you can see, he has a stop right here. So he got entered right here and he just continued to hold it. I'm really surprised market didn't tick up that one tick to get us taken out right there. That's a little disturbing. Market came right up to our price here and didn't push through it. Hopefully it'll get through it.
Filled.
There it is. Market got through it that time. Alright, we're now at break even.
Target filled.
That's the second target hit. Might have some issues getting through this level right here. I'm going to go ahead and move up to break even +1. As you can see, our 2-minute chart has started moving now. I have to wait and see where our high volume node is going to be. But hopefully we'll be able to push through this little level here. Alright, we got our first selling print. Not selling print, but trailing stop print. We'll see what the market does here. Alright, we're pushing 5 minutes here. Let me go ahead and pause it and I'll come back once our stop gets hit or once it pushes past this level. Alright guys, I just moved my trailing stop. As you can see, we got a new print down right here. And it's right in this little buy zone with these two buying low volume nodes here. Hopefully we'll get a little retracement and then the market will bust through that level right here. Alright, be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, stop just got hit down here to the tick. As you can see, our trailing stop print moved down to 56.94, so that's where I pushed my stop down to. And it was just taken out here. I know other traders that don't move their stops down once they move them up. So that might be something to look for, but on the other hand, it was just as possible for the market to come down here and bounce right back up. So it's just personal preference, I guess. And look at that. Market came down into this buying zone right to where my stop was and then turned around. Interesting stuff here. Alright, I'll pause it and be back on the next opportunity. Hey folks, we did have this print right here, but we were right in the middle of a sell zone. And we also had this selling low volume node, so I didn't take this trade. But as you guys can see, the market did decide to go ahead and push up to our second take profit on that trade. So it would have been a nice trade to take. And pretty much any trade you've taken so far would have been a nice winner. This trade right here, this high volume node trade, would have been a nice winner. This one would have gone past the second profit target. This one would have gotten you to the first. Of course, this one would have been a home run right here. This one went past the third. Same thing here. This one went up to the second. So the prints are on fire today. Definitely a good thing. Alright guys, we got a pending order right here. As you can see, if we do get filled on this, we should be able to get our first profit target hit right there. And that's before this sell zone. But I'll most likely move it to this level so we don't have to make a new high. And we're getting down here. Market, not the market, but the ticks is coming down. So if it gets down to, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this out.
Order canceled.
Alright, so we didn't get filled on that one. I'll come back if we get another opportunity. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, I think I'm going to be pretty much done here. As you guys can see, the market has been just pushing up continuously here. You guys just saw this huge move that just happened here. I'm not sure what's going on with the CL, but there are definitely some large moves today. If you guys recall a moment ago, well, not a moment at this point, but we did have this opportunity here. The market didn't fill us, but what I didn't pay attention to was this low volume node right here. This would have been a good spot to jump back in. Because right here I didn't take this trade. I did notice this trade, but I didn't take it because we were below the zero line. But like I said, this would have been a great opportunity to jump in. There were people in the trade room that got in at this level, 57.17, and they were able to ride this up to a tremendous trade. I mean, this was just a phenomenal trade, guys. So congratulations to the people that did get it. And as for me, I'm going to just shut it down for the day. I missed a few of the trades. There were several good trades in the trading time from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. The vendor obviously took this trade. Several people took these other trades that we had. So today was just a great trading day all around. Let me see what the CAD news did. Let me check on that, because something had to have pushed the market. Alright, let's see what we had today. Alright. We had this news here at 10:05. Hasn't come out yet. Let me see what they're talking about in the trading room. Alright, this is the vendor's profit and loss for the day. As you guys can see here, he made $5,882 today. Not bad at all, obviously. I mean, just a phenomenal trading day. Alright guys, we're now at 10 minutes on this. I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll see if we can continue this good trading here.